All right, I've got the inside scoop. I've got the connect on some 3-bedroom townhomes in Abbotsford, launching very soon. Have not launched yet. Starting price, $599,000. Developer's great, location's good. We'll have to see how the floor plans look. I haven't seen anything about this project that I don't like yet. Price is good, the location's good, developer's good. So we're gonna drive there today. We're gonna check it out. I'll try to show you guys the area, obviously the show suite, and we're gonna be riding along with Mr. Kevin today. Oh, he's a little bit sad that he's in the car. I'll see you guys at the project. So we are on the south side of Abbotsford. It's more rural over here. If you go a little bit further south from here, pretty much everything is agricultural land. It's mostly detached homes and some older townhome complexes, few condo buildings. But on this side, and this is where the townhomes are, you've got the Abbotsford Event Center. So that's, boom, right there as we're driving by it. You know, you can get, like, there's a lot of concerts that happen there. Morgan Wallen played there, Dallas Smith. Saw the Goo Goo Dolls there as well. On this side, you have some walkable amenities. You got the Fresh Slice there. You've got a few places to eat, Subway. I think there's a little grocery store there. On this side, you got 7-Eleven, sushi, couple other places to walk to. And on the other side of the highway, like literally 2 minutes away, you've got, well, for starters, you got the highway, but then you've got the hospital, the University of the Fraser Valley. I almost forgot about that. That's right beside the event center. So the location's commutable, it has amenities. It's a good area. And here is the project on our right here. So we're gonna pull in. All right, so here we are. It looks like they are move-in ready. Come on, buddy. There he is. Hi, Kev. So here we are. Let me adjust the camera here. So it looks like they are move-in ready, of course. I'm a little bit early to my appointment here. So yeah, you've got the event center there. The University of the Fraser Valley is like literally 2 minutes that way. On the other side of the highway, going yonder, again, you got the highway right there. The hospital's there. You've got McCallum Junction, so you've got Brown's, McDonald's. There's a spot to get pho there. Starbucks. There's Good Kid Cafe on the other side. Like, there's tons of stuff to do within like 2-3 minutes of here, the highway, and obviously some government establishments that employ people, and very commutable, right? You're basically dead center Abbotsford and right beside the highway. So before we go inside here, I just want to take Kev for a little walk. Yeah. Morning. Actually, maybe let's go in the back here and we'll check out the back of these townhomes. Looks like they got a little bit of a front yard if you have a dog or something like that, right? Oh, they have driveways. Okay, that's not something you usually get. You don't usually get a driveway with a townhome, so that's pretty nice. I wonder if they must be single car garage. It would be weird if they were tandem plus a garage plus a driveway, tandem plus a driveway. That'd be 3 parking stalls. So maybe they're single car garage. And just to give you guys some context for, I guess, the pricing of these townhomes, at the peak, probably would have been $900,000 plus, 930, 950, maybe 975 if you were buying the tippy top peak, first or second week of February. 2 years ago, probably would have been high sevens. Yeah, high sevens, something like that. And just last year, it would have been low sevens, most likely low sevens. And now today, they're launching these at $599. Now keep in mind, I highly doubt all of them are gonna be $599. They're probably gonna have a couple that are $599, and the rest are gonna be low sixes type of deal. But regardless, very good price for a townhome. So this is the show unit right here, number 11. So before we go inside, just do a quick little walk around the outside. It's actually got a pretty nice little side yard here, a little bit of a front yard going on. All right, so we are inside the townhome now. Built by Anthem. I would say probably one of the best developers in the valley. One of the better ones, right? Pick your verbiage. They're a good developer, right? Basically what I'm getting at here. So right away as you enter the front door, which is, yeah, ground level here, front door, you have a bedroom. So you've got exterior windows, closet here. That makes this a legal bedroom. Could be a baby's room, could be an office. It is a bit smaller, but usable and also legally a bedroom. Coat closet here. You've got a full bath downstairs, stand-up shower, and then I believe they're actually, they're single car garage with a driveway. So it is 2 parking, but only 1 can fit in the garage. Oh, so we got an AC unit there. Nice. So AC in the main living area here. Looks like you got a good sized balcony. Stressing out because my dog just ate a mushroom cap outside. Oh, these guys. So 2-tone cabinets. You've got some lighting underneath the cabinets, which I like. That's an electric LG oven/stove. You've got a nice big window right over top of the kitchen sink, which you don't always get and is very nice to have. Now, the floor plan is on the smaller side. I think these are about 1,300 square feet. But, I mean, if you had to choose between, say, a nice 2-bedroom condo at $520,000 and spend an extra 70, 80 grand and get a 3-bedroom townhome with a garage and AC, I mean, I'm personally going with the townhome every single time, right? Do I want the townhome to be bigger? Sure. But at the price point, it's a much better buy than most of the 2-bedroom product that's out there. And it's very debatably the best buy in the townhome market right now with a 5 in front of it. You know what I mean? Like, I know people in the comments are gonna be like, these need to be 250K, but I mean, brand new townhome product with a 5 in front of it. I didn't think we'd ever see this again. And you're likely gonna have 2 incomes servicing this when you can afford it with just 1 decent income. Okay, so you got AC in the primary bedroom here as well. I don't know how to turn on that light. but you get the idea. This one's nice because it's a corner unit, so you get the extra windows, a lot more light in here. Check out the ensuite. So nice big stand-up shower. Look at that. And you've got a vanity here and some extra storage, it looks like, up here. Is this open? Ah, there it is. Yeah, not too shabby. So you just got 2 bedrooms upstairs on opposite sides because you've got the 3rd bedroom downstairs. So you've got another, so you have 3 full bathrooms in this townhome actually. Very nice. Usually you get a powder. This one you have 3 full bathrooms. And here's the secondary bedroom. So yeah, I mean, now it's like for example, if you're buying a decent 2-bed condo in like Willoughby Heights, Langley, you're still spending close to 600 grand for that. You're still spending like 580, 585, you know, sometimes over 6. And if you go 20 minutes east, yeah, probably, let's call it 23 minutes east, something between 20 to 25 minutes east. Now you're getting a 3-bedroom townhome, right? And I know some people are like, well, I don't want to live in Abbotsford. Yeah, I mean, you might, though. You might, if your choice, if you're paying the same for a 2-bed condo that you're paying for a townhome, right? Looks like it's a pretty good deal to me, I would say. So I've got to go check on my puppy. If you guys want the information for this, book a call with me using the link down below. Or you know what? I'll drop a link down in the description. You can fill out your thing and it'll send you the information. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. If you want to chat with me about buying or selling, then you can book in a time to chat with me in the calendar. Otherwise, I'm that Agent Kelly. I'm making moves to move you. Peace.